Understanding the Brew Method, a guide to coffee brewing techniques. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase you might encounter in everyday conversations or while reading about coffee. The brew method. This term is especially popular among coffee enthusiasts. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how it's used in different contexts. The phrase, brew method, refers to the various techniques used to make coffee. Each method involves different equipment, time, and processes, resulting in unique flavors and coffee experiences. It's a term that's widely used in cafes, restaurants, and by coffee lovers around the world. Here, we'll look at some of the most popular brew methods. French press, a simple and classic method using a press pot. Espresso, a quick method that uses high pressure to extract coffee. Pour over, involves pouring hot water over coffee grounds in a filter. Cold brew, steeping coffee grounds in cold water for several hours. Understanding how to use this phrase in everyday conversation is crucial. Here are some examples. What brew method do you prefer for your morning coffee? I'm experimenting with different brew methods to find my favorite. The cafe offers several brew methods. Let's try the espresso. The choice of a brew method can significantly affect the taste and quality of coffee. It's an essential aspect of coffee culture, reflecting personal preferences and the art of coffee making. Coffee enthusiasts often passionately discuss and compare different brew methods. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning of brew method and how it's used in the context of coffee. Remember, each method brings out different flavors and textures in coffee, making it an exciting topic for coffee lovers. Keep practicing your English, and don't hesitate to explore new words and phrases like this one. Until next time, happy learning!